Data and graphs. Graphs is a way to explain numbers and figures. People love pictures, and these are ways to explain information in an interesting and more concise manner. There are 3 well-known ways to illustrate information as graphs. Line graphs. These are usually to provide information over a specific time. Example: how much money did you save over the past 6 months? Your answer can be. This can now be provided in the following line graph. The period is listed on the horizontal line, known as the x-axis. The value, Rand, is listed in the vertical line for each month, often referred to as the y-axis. Bar graph. These refer to the vertical or horizontal bars to illustrate a certain number in a specific category. Example question: which are the favorite sports for grade 5s? How do these compare to the favorite sports for grade 7s? This is when you do your research and get your data, information. These were your results. To read, interpret this easier, we use bar graphs. Pie chart, circle graph. These are used to show parts of a whole. Example: think of a favorite chocolate, Smarties. We all love them. Remember that. We always want to know which colors are the most and which the least. That is, when we started to unpack them and counted. From these examples, you can see that it is much easier to read, interpret the information when it is illustrated as a chart. It takes time to know which chart to use. Choosing the right chart is important and will help you to understand and interpret information for the rest of your life. Another method you should know: stem and leaf diagram. This is a way to group data into classes or categories, usually by splitting the numbers into 2 parts, stem and leaf. Example: in the grade 6 class, 10 children scored more than 70% for their maths exam. We want to see this on a stem and leaf plot. These numbers are 72, 73, 73, 78, 78, 80, 84, 88, 92, 92. The tens become the stem and the units become the leaves. This type of diagram is another way to get good information of data.